Game changer, okay? Game changer. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cristina, for those of you that are new, and for those of you who stop by all the time, hi again, and thank you so much for supporting your girl. For the most sincere beauty advice, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and make sure that you ding the bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. Seriously, you have to ding the bell. Otherwise, you're not going to get the email that I posted another video. In today's exciting new episode, I have a treat for you. I am so super excited. I can't even tell you, because I got my package, well, one of many that I ordered during the makeup show, which just passed. Just FYI, not affiliated, just a fan, a true 100% fan, and I just absolutely had to share it with you people. Rachel, oh my God. Okay, so this is the LippieBook Pro 3.0 that I snagged from the makeup show. On the back, it has this handy dandy little strap here, so that if you have a rolly bag, which I do, this can actually neatly slip over the top of that. And I'm going to show you the handles, which are sturdy, like, whoa. Let's have the nylon band with the strong plastic, and actually very comfortable handles to hold. And then it's got the two loops where you would put, oh, here we go, over here. You put the two loops so you can do the shoulder strap. So this is actually one of the reasons why this is so divine, is because it actually expands. You see how there's two zippers there? One of them is to open the bag and the other one is to expand it. So I think that, let me see, I'm not really sure which one does which. This one expands it. So it actually pulls out so that you can fit more products in the LippieBook itself, which is just like, I mean, okay. So now we're gonna open it, ready? And I'm hoping that I can actually hold this so that you guys can see this without like pulling my microphone out of the, oh, I forgot that I get these with it. Okay. So first, well, let me just show you the bag, because I forgot that that came as a special that Rachel did, that she's just, okay. I'm gonna link her Instagram below, by the way, so that you can follow her, because if you are a makeup artist or enthusiast, you need to. So here, oh, here's the shoulder strap. So that shoulder strap's actually pretty nifty. Take that off of there. And you can make it longer or shorter with that thing. And then this is got a really nice cushion in there, so it won't dig in on your shoulders when you're using it. Put that out of the way. Okay, so this is pretty genius. Okay, the whole thing is, but just step by step so you can see the genius. This backing here is magnets. So your stainless steel, which is given, I mean, complimentary stainless steel pellet, so that we can mix our colors and make them custom to our clients. And that sticks there, so it's not going to be sliding around. Comes in a really easy to close pouch with a little button there, reusable, so you can, in fact, put it in there and not get anything on your LippieBook if for whatever reason after you cleaned it there was a little bit of a residue. There shouldn't be, but in case there is, you can put it back in your pouch, stick it here, and it's out of the way. These little loops, which hopefully it comes across in the video, and if not, when I do zoom in close-ups of the book itself, you'll be able to see them a little bit better, but these will easily fit makeup brushes or lip liners, anything like that. Then you come and, oh, sorry, you turn the page. Ready? So you fit product here. This is the back of it. You can fit product here, across, here, across, here, across, here, across, and then on the back side here, or the front side, whatever you want to call it, there are two plastic bags, which is a pretty sturdy kind of a plastic, but it also has magnetic on the back, and this part is magnetic too, so that will just hold your pouch easily. And let me tell you why that's a big deal. And it's also another one of those, well, yeah, because I have makeup bags where the back part where I would put my my pouches, or I have a makeup, kind of like a belt, a makeup brush belt that I could put those in and kind of stick them to the Velcro part. Velcro collects lint and hair and dust and all types of other things that you don't want as part of your makeup kit. So because we want to keep things as sterile as possible, generally speaking, but especially now, I love that this is just magnetic. Nothing's going to stick to that that's not metal. And it's easy to carry. So this I love because once I've opened this up here, whatever cosmetics that I don't fit in here, I can easily put in here and have one bag instead of many to carry all of my cosmetics. And because airbrush is my specialty, the little bottles of airbrush, like the Temp 2, which is what I use, will fit really neatly in these little these little notches, and I'm going to show you how that looks. So the second part that made me so giddy about this is that I forgot that part of the special during the makeup show, Rachel was offering to include these containers. Do you see what I mean? Okay. Big deal, because if you have larger foundation bottles, like say, okay, that's not going to fit easily in there, nor would I want to carry a bunch of these with me in my bag, because one, you know, you may think that doesn't weigh all that much, but let's face it, as a makeup artist, you have to be prepared for every skin tone and every skin type that may sit in your chair. You have to accommodate everyone. So having, you know, bottles this big, yeah, they're great because, you know, you have them and they're good quality, but the fact of the matter is you're going to need a little bit of a trolley to carry all of these foundations with you, because you're not just carrying foundation, you're carrying foundation and you're carrying eyeshadows and blushes and lip liners and lipsticks and, you know, all of the PPE that we have to carry and include in all of our kits now, so that we can, you know, keep things as clean as possible. So now imagine, if you will, with me, that you have these little containers. Okay, and you can take your foundation and just put it in one of these, and then these fit very neatly inside of the LippieBook. And again, I'm going to show you once I load all of this up, but because they're it's a stretchy elastic band, my nails won't let me put it in there. You have, I'm going to bring this up to the camera a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. You see what I mean? So you have all of these little bottles that we have here for, she also includes for your powders. Okay. You can put anything you want in there, but I think I'm going to use these for my powders. And then these for your sprays. So you can think setting sprays, because, you know, they're large and they take up a lot of room. You know, you might have your skin prep or your, you know, your cleaners. You know, there's just any number of things that you can put in here. You know, if you carry alcohol or you carry, you know, your Beauty So Clean, they all will fit in these containers. And wow, if she didn't hook you up with the purchase of your LippieBook. So literally, even if you didn't know, okay, I'm gonna have to, you know, depot, well, guess what? Here you go ahead and depot. She gave us a bag full of tubes and, you know, containers to put into the LippieBook. So it's pretty much just sit there and do the work so that you can go ahead and condense your kit. So I had to share that with you because you are a makeup artist, a makeup enthusiast, a makeup hoarder, let's just put that right out there. You need one of these because this will take up so much less space. If you are just a hoarder that has to have every new item that comes out, and hey, I'm not judging, I'm just saying, maybe you can keep them in something that's a little bit more condensed, and that way you can buy more stuff. Okay, I'm not condoning that behavior either. But what I'm saying is that this is going to be a huge, huge, huge life changer. But also, I want to add, she has other sizes, other kind of tiers when it comes to the LippieBook. She has the Baby Pro, she has the 2.0, she has the 3.0, and you'll see when you go visit her website, and you need to go visit her website because this is such a game changer. I mean, it's just, it does have the Baby Pro, and even though this is the 3.0, it's now my Baby 0.0. Is my excitement like coming through to you through the camera? Like, is it, like, can you feel it? Because seriously, there's so much, I feel like I'm buzzing. I can feel myself just vibrating from the excitement. And I can't wait to start using it when wedding season starts. It's just gonna be, oh, I can't wait. So let me show you now. I'm gonna load it up and I'm gonna take some pictures and some footage so that you can see just how smooth and how neatly everything fits into place, okay? So here we go. I've loaded up some of my makeup here. As you can see, I didn't put any makeup brushes in there because I use mostly airbrush, but here I have my Perfect Canvas collection. Kind of extends onto the back. Got my adjusters, some blushes and highlights. Here we start with our SB collection. Got the Dura there, contour, bronzing. Here's my little Temp 2 Air with my Pro Pods, some Danessa Myricks. And as you can see, it just all fits so neatly, snugly. There's no clutter. I can see where everything goes. And it's just all together in this one little case. It's just genius. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing and display video that I had, and for sharing my excitement, because you know who you are. You know, don't look around like, what? Who's she talking to? You, I'm talking to you. You know exactly who you are. You've got tons of makeup. You're not really sure where to put it. It's overflowing in your drawers and in your, you know, your cabinets, your medicine cabinet. It's everywhere. So why don't you just start by condensing and keeping your things nice and neat, and you're welcome. So before you're off to watch another one of my videos, make sure that you do subscribe, make sure that you ding that bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. If you did like this video, give me a like, and if you think something like this would actually work for you, I know that it would, but do you think that it would? Maybe you want to click share and put it on your social media, or send it directly to someone who you think would benefit from knowing such a thing exists. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Rachel, for your genius, because my shoulders and my back are thanking you. If you just listen really hard, you could, I could hear Christina's back and shoulders thanking me for creating such an awesome, awesome, awesome travel companion.